Guys, I want to apologize for this video. I accidentally erased parts of the video at the ending, and I am so sorry because I truly love this project. Hope you can glean something from it.
Hi guys, this is Faithlyn with Elegance for Less. I am excited to be able to do a DIY with you guys today. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome and thank you so very much for choosing to watch this video. We're going to do a lamp today, so there's a lot to do. I went ahead and spray painted the two pieces that I'm going to use already. You guys have seen the Megaphone. This is the Dollar Tree Kids Megaphone. Just went ahead, spray painted it gold, and this is the shade, which is an actual light shade that you can get from Home Depot or Lowe's. I want to say Walmart sells them as well, but you can find them anywhere. You can even pick them up at garage sales. Now, I went ahead and made them both the same color. You will also need to have you can use the plastic. I have the glass because I hauled it during the Christmas holiday and they were glass. So I love the glass, but I also like the plastic, which the Dollar Tree sells the plastic as well. So you will need one of those. You'll need some gems. This is an acrylic gem that I purchased from their beads from Michael's. And they have, like, I don't know if you can see it, like a little gold. Can you see that? A little gold on them. And excuse the gold paint on my finger. I was outside painting so I could cut down on time. So you'll need some gems for that. I also, and I forgot to say, I just opened it. It's $3.99 from Michael's. And Hobby Lobby has these gems as well. Gemstones. They are $2.99. You can use a coupon, 40% off on them. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to use them yet, but I'm keeping them here because that's my intention for now until I start working on it. You'll also need a light. I hauled these after the holidays from Walmart. So you will need a light. You don't have to use this battery operated light. You can also use the Dollar Tree press lights that they have, which is also battery operated. You'll need your glue gun and your glue sticks. Which reminds me, let me haul a few of them over here, make them handy. Because I'm going to be gluing these gems on, I don't know how much glue I will need, so I need to make sure I have my glue sticks close by. Well guys, if this is your first time to my channel, welcome and thank you so much. I hope that you will like this DIY. Check out some of my other videos. I believe, wow, I've been doing a lot and not realizing it. I have over 200 videos. So please feel free to check out my channel. Check out the videos that are out there. Alright, if you do, share with your family and friends, and let's get started. I spray painted. I'm not quite sure if they are fully dry. But what I want to do is take
Guys, please forgive me. I lost my video, so I will have a different video for you later on today.